Are you using YouTube Shorts for your business? Not the other kinds of stuff like Instagram and Twitter and all those other ones. YouTube Shorts are unique, and there's 7 reasons why your business should use them for your content, for your blog posts, for your website content, for any updates that you're doing that require a video short. YouTube Shorts offer some good stuff. I looked up why you should use YouTube Shorts, and I got a post from Neil Schaefer. And Neil is the SEO guy that you probably would want to hire. He's been doing it for about 10 years, and he's got a lot of experience and so forth. But anyway, he lists out the 7 reasons. So head on over to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com. Look up this episode about YouTube Shorts, and all the answers and the link to the blog post from Neil Schaefer are all there. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.